Parents Grace and Dale. Varsity sports played in the past: football 4 years, baseball 4 years. First played baseball as a 4-year-old at the YMCA. Baseball teams played for in the past: Northview High School in Dothan, Alabama.
Got a lot of speed.
Past sports recognition awards: Most Valuable Player Football 2008.
There you go.
Baseball Trojan Powerlift Award 2008. Selected Georgia Dugout Club Top 100 in the state, and stolen base record.
Maybe so.
School activities include DECA, Senior Beta, National Arts Honor Society. Academic recognitions include Renaissance Gold Club holder. Community activities: Tim and Muffin Gilmer. Varsity sports played in the past: football 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. Baseball 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. First played baseball as a 3-year-old for the Walker Mountain Cougars. Names of baseball teams played for the past include Walker Mountain Thunder, Riverbend Hornets, Claremont A's, East Cobb Twins. Past sports recognition awards involve 3-year letterman in football, 2-year letterman in baseball, football All-Region Team Loyalty Award, and All-Region Honorable Mention. Voted a senior captain of the football team, and Trey Pinson. Parents Johnny and Tammy. Varsity sports played in the past include 3 years baseball, 3 years football. First played baseball as a 5-year-old for the McEver Mustangs. Other baseball teams played on the past include McEver All-Stars and Travel League, Gainesville Yankees, Gainesville Junior League All-Stars, North Hall 8th grade team, North Hall JV. Past sports recognition awards include Gainesville City League Hustle Award, and last year, Dirtbag Award 2008, North Hall High School. School activities and clubs involved include Partners Club and FCA, DECA, and FBLA. Academic awards include North Hall Renaissance Silver 2 years. Strong. Parents Nat and Diane. Varsity sports played include 9th and 10th grade JV basketball, 9th grade junior varsity basketball, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade varsity baseball. First played baseball as a 5-year-old for the Mount Vernon Lightning baseball team. Other teams involved include the Mount Vernon Magic, Junior Trojans, Claremont A's, Gainesville A's, Blue Ridge Raiders, and Cleo Whitlock's fall baseball team. School activities include Partners Club, FFA, and FCA. Academic awards include attending Young Harris College in the fall. Community activity: Davis Patrick, Tom and Jan. Varsity sports include 4 years of varsity baseball, 2 years varsity football. First played baseball as a 5-year-old for Mount Pisgah. Names of baseball teams played in the past include Riverside Military Academy, Claremont A's, Park and Rec Rockies, East Cobb Orioles, Blue Ridge Raiders. Past sports recognitions awards include Most Improved North Hall Baseball 2008. School activities: DECA and Young Life. Academic recognitions: Senior Beta Club. And community activities involve Eagle Scout and being a member of First Baptist Church, Gainesville. Most memorable North Hall varsity moment: watching Trey trip over the tarp, chasing a fly ball, and landing on his face. Advice to underclassmen: Alex Black. Paul and Jeannie are his parents. And Alex tonight would like to thank Coach Mangero, Coach Bishop, and Coach Wood for giving him the opportunity to film and assist the team. He'd also like to thank his parents and his grandparents for supporting and loving him, and also would like to say thank you to Jesus Christ, his Lord and Savior, for saving him. Future plans for Alex include attending college in the fall. Number 10, Senior Manager, Senior Manager Alex Black. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the remaining lineup for your North Hall Trojans this evening.